goal here was to upgrade the appearances of some of the concessions areas in the club levels and also the kitchen area to increase and make the fan experience better. What we're looking for in a good supplier would be someone that is very timely on getting information to us, manufacturers on the job, that can supply you with good installation drawings, meet the dates, because the less you have to worry about certain manufacturers, the less stress you have on your job. So having an organization like Accurex involved really lessened the amount of stress. You knew that when your subcontractors were installing facilities that needed to supply items to their hoods, it was correct and it was going to be in the right place. Going into a project with Accurex, you know you're in good hands as far as the deliveries. That's one of the biggest pitfalls you could have on a project is your deliveries. We had a very complex crane pick that we did over by the Oneida Gate, and we knew we had an Accurex unit on the way. So it was very important that we hit our dates just because of the timing and the scheduling in and around Lambeau Field. And knowing that Accurex was on the job, that was awesome because they were able to get the product here exactly when we needed it and support the timing that we needed to pull that off.